Trim hedge, cut lawn. Keep bending down to see if the hedge is level. I try to never let the hedges get messy. Now start on the side. Backwards and forwards, keep going over it. Always neaten up after you've done your last neaten up. Now for the other side, keep bending down to see if it's level. I'm not cleaning all the mess up, so blow it onto the grass. Then cut the lawn as you go, clockwise around the garden with the mower, hoovering all the trimmings up. That's how I do it. Tiny bit to blow.